Hey boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to do a burnout. I've never done one before in my life, so I'm putting my grease monkey gloves on for a little extra safety. Then what we're going to do is grease up the tires a little bit with some of this soapy water. If you got posi traction, you're going to need to do both tires. And then what you do is you get in the car, you hold the brake down, and you smash the gas.
Let's do that gnarly burnout, James. As promised, she did a burnout. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like, comment what you want to see us do next on the Charger. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, get out there and get wrenching with your friends, because you could be doing burnouts like us. Come see Frizz, our 1969 Dodge Charger RT SE at Holly's Mo Party September 15th through 17th at Beach Bend Raceway. Come celebrate anything and everything Mo-powered with us.